Machiegni Ramogi e paw tuke club mar Tusker odhi mbele kod duoko maber e tuke adhula lig maduong' mar FKF bang' loyo club mar KCB gonde 2-1 e alap ma Kasarani Annex. Shafano Yugi nokuongo yudo gol mokuongo ne jo Tusker, kata kamano Nicholas Kipkirui noyudo ne jo bengi ma KCB gol margi dakika machuok kapok jotugo dhi e yueyo. Jatugo mawuok e piny mar Uganda Deogracius Ojok noketho chuny jo KCB bang' loyo ne Tusker gol mogik kendo miyo Tusker loch margi e tuke 5 mag lig nyaka sani.
At the moment, we'll just give our players some 3 days to rest and go have a time with their families, and then we'll come back to prepare for our next match against Gor Mahia. Of course, we'll be working on our attacking because this is an area that at the moment we need to work on. We have been winning one match and losing the other match, so it means that we need to be clinical in front of goal.
They have been together at least some while, and they understand my philosophy. So we're just playing as a team, we're working as a family, and we are more focused. Everybody's focused, everybody's determined to play, and then to try to maintain our standard we have already set for around 3 years when I was in this team.